What's up guys? Hello everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey there, my name is Beyold and welcome. Feel free to be here. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification to get notified every time I upload the video. So guys, today as you have seen the title, yes, I'm going to be baking. And guess what? This is my first time ever baking. Guys, I don't know how that cake is going to come out, but trust me, guys, I need your prayer. I need your prayer while we are going to be trying this cake. And please make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. And let's go, guys, and start this video. So guys, right here we have a half cup of oil, cooking oil. We have 3 eggs, we have vanilla, we have baking powder, we have 2 cups of sugar, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and right here we have things that we will be using to mix our mixture. So guys, that's what we are using right now. So let's get started. So guys, I will start by breaking our eggs. Then I will mix them. So guys, at this point I will add sugar and mix them and whisk them together. Is it whisk or mix them together? I don't know, as long as you understand. So I will So guys, once sugar and the egg are well mixed good, I will add cooking oil, a half cup of cooking oil. Then I will mix them together. So guys, once our mixture is ready, I will go ahead and remove this one. I will not use this one, electricity one. So guys, at this point I will be adding flour, just a little bit, and mixing them using this one, my hand. Yeah. So guys, this is my mixture. Oh my god. Hey, pray for me, the cake will be good though. So I will add so guys, I have not yet to put baking powder. I need to add baking powder inside. I will use only one tablespoon, the small one, this one. Yeah, then I will mix them together. I swear guys, I don't know how this cake is going to be looking, because like, look, I need prayers. So guys, let's pray. Let's gather together and pray for this cake. We are hoping that everything will be okay and the cake will be good. Oh my god, look at that cake guys. Look at that. Is that how you do cake? Okay, let's wait. So guys, at this point I will be using this one to add my cake, and first of all I will add butter inside. First, just a little bit of butter, or you can use oil if you want. You just put it like this, like you're oiling your surface with butter everywhere, so that it will not stick. So once I finish, I will add my mixture. Oh god, guys, I need prayers. I hope this cake will be good. Oh no, is this for real? So guys, this is my cake. I will cook it I will put my gas for 90 degrees, then we will see how it will end. So guys, let's cook it. So guys, because my oven is hot, I will reduce the gas. So guys, because my oven is hot, I left it for 10 minutes. Because my oven is hot right now, I will reduce the heat, then I will bake it only for that minute. If you want, you can cook for that minute, that 5 minutes. So let's wait for the cake. So guys, let's check the cake. Oh guys, the cake is almost, but let's check if it is ready. It's almost. Yeah, so let's give it time to finish, like 5 minutes. So guys, our cake I think is ready. Yes, it is ready. So I will remove it. Yeah, let's give it time to cool down, then we will remove it. So guys, this is our cake. You can have this cake with a cup of tea in the morning or evening with a cup of tea. Yeah, it is so delicious. Please guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you to the next one. Until next time, bye.